and today we're going to be learning the safety tips for bicycling. So the safety tips are, first of all, you should always wear a helmet. Second of all, always read the owner's manuals, as written over here. Third of all, you should maintain a slow speed and a speed appropriate for safety. A speed too fast could lead to falling down. A speed too slow could also lead to falling down.
Okay.
And fourth of all, you should always watch out for other people.
Pedestrians and bicyclists.
Yeah.
How about on the right on the right side of the road, right?
Yeah. Always ride on one side of the road.
Right. Appropriate side of your road.
Yeah.
All right. So you ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Let's go. Watch out in front.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's not the appropriate way of riding a bicycle, but it works.
And enjoy your ride.
Yeah.
A beautiful trail.
We're going all the way to Clifton Park.
Alrighty, let's go.
The trail, and then we'll go further to the...
Okay, keep going.
Yeah. Can I go fast?
Yep, sure.
Okay, I want to maintain the safe speed, so I'm going to stay here.
Yeah, you can go a little faster. That's all right.